President Biden has made it clear where he stands on the issue of Russian atrocities in Ukraine.
Yes, I call this genocide because it becomes clearer and clearer that Putin is just trying to wipe out the idea of being Ukrainian.
But French President Emmanuel Macron is not using this term.
Le mot de génocide a un sens.
The word genocide has a very particular meaning, and it's up to lawyers, not politicians, to define it.
The term genocide was coined at the end of the Second World War by a Polish lawyer of Jewish descent, Raphael Lemkin. It has a specific definition, say scholars.
The definition of genocide under international law is the intentional destruction of a group in whole or in part, and if that group is targeted according to its national identity, its ethnic identity, its racial or religious identity.
To prove genocide means to prove that war crimes were committed with malicious intent. International law experts are debating whether Russian actions qualify as genocide. Comments by President Vladimir Putin could contribute to the case against Russia, say these experts.
He's created a narrative, a justifying narrative for Russian aggression, which involves some combination of a failure, a refusal to acknowledge that there are such people as Ukrainians, that have a group that has a kind of fundamental legitimacy and a right to self-determination.
While neither Russia nor Ukraine are a party to the International Criminal Court, experts say the court can still investigate Russia's crimes. But they add it would be better to create a separate tribunal for that purpose.
На мою думку, це в першу чергу має бути
An international tribunal is needed so that the whole world could unite and condemn Russia for the crimes it has committed and continues to commit.
Yet it's unlikely Putin will be brought to trial, even if a tribunal establishes that Russia's actions in Ukraine constitute genocide, say experts. More likely is that lower-ranking offenders might be captured and put on trial.
None of these courts have a police force at their disposal. They have no way to actually capture someone. So the person has to be apprehended and then handed over to the court by some other actor.
Yet these difficulties have not stopped the collection of evidence of genocide against Ukrainians. By opening an investigation early, experts say, the evidence gets documented soon after the crimes are committed. They can also be made public as early as possible. For Lesia Bakalets in Washington, NRI's VOA News.